The liver is the largest gland in our body. It performs more than 500 vital functions, from digesting food, providing energy, to protecting the body against various diseases. This is why if even a small problem occurs in the liver, it can become life-threatening and lead to diseases such as viral hepatitis, liver cancer, liver enlargement, and abdominal swelling. Along with these, our body also shows several symptoms: bad breath, change in urine color, yellowing of the face and eyes, dark circles under the eyes, and feeling extremely weak. Since the liver plays such a vital role in our body, we must never ignore even the smallest problems related to it. At the same time, we must also keep our liver healthy and strong. Today, I am going to share with you a remedy that can start cleansing your liver in just 24 hours. Within 1 to 2 weeks, you will notice your liver becoming completely healthy and strong again. So let's see how to prepare this remedy. The first ingredient we will use is bottle gourd, also known as lao/kadu. Bottle gourd is extremely beneficial in reducing liver swelling and treating various liver-related problems. It contains essential nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, and other minerals that help the liver function properly. As a result, our liver becomes healthier and works more efficiently. The next ingredient is turmeric. Turmeric is a very powerful ingredient for detoxifying the liver. It has strong antibacterial properties that help to quickly cleanse the liver from toxins and also fight against various liver diseases effectively. Turmeric also helps eliminate various diseases from the liver. Along with this, you should add a little coriander leaves. Coriander greatly helps our digestive system by improving food digestion and keeping the liver free from stress. That's why coriander should definitely be included in our diet. Now let's see how to prepare this liver cleansing drink. First, take a bottle gourd. Peel it and cut it into small pieces. Extract the juice from the pieces. Remember to add some coriander leaves while grinding. Blend the bottle gourd and coriander leaves together to make juice. Strain it and pour into a glass. Now, add half a teaspoon of turmeric, or a little less, into the juice. Next, squeeze half a lemon into it. Lemon not only helps detoxify the liver but also supports digestion. To make it tastier, you can add a little honey as per your preference. Mix everything well until blended. Now our liver detox drink is ready. To cleanse and strengthen your liver quickly, you must avoid fast food and oily fried foods. Along with drinking this juice, you can also prepare raisin water. Take some raisins in a bowl and add 3 to 4 glasses of water. Boil the raisins in the water for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame, then let the water sit for 3 to 4 hours. Strain it and sip the water slowly throughout the day. Raisin water is very effective for cleansing both the kidneys and liver. It also purifies the blood and helps treat anemia. If you follow this process, your liver will become clean and healthy much faster. You should take this remedy 1 hour after breakfast in the morning. After drinking it, do not eat anything for the next 1 hour. Gradually, this drink will start eliminating liver-related problems. As a result, your digestion will improve, and your skin will begin to glow. Within just 24 hours, you will notice its effects. If you continue drinking it for 1 full week, it will start removing various liver diseases from the root. I hope you found this tip useful. If you have any questions about this video, please leave a comment, and I will try to reply as soon as possible. That's all for today, friends. We will meet again in another new video. If you liked this little piece of information, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy and healthy day.